first, fast, accurate with Jennifer Copeland and Rick Schutt. You're watching WSBT-22 News at 5.
Should Notre Dame's police department be allowed to keep reports private? Well, that's the center of an argument unfolding in South Bend right now.
ESPN is suing the university because it refused to release campus police records. WSBT-22's Kelly Stopczynski is just back from a court hearing on this case. And Kelly, a judge just heard from lawyers on both sides.
Jennifer, a lawyer representing ESPN in this case told the judge Notre Dame's security police department should be considered a public entity because it is acting on power granted by the state of Indiana to arrest people and to keep those arrest records. That Indianapolis attorney also says when the General Assembly wrote the Access to Public Records Act, it allowed for flexibility when appropriate in interpreting that law. But a lawyer for Notre Dame argued the campus police department serves at the pleasure of the university trustees and says this is the first time in 30 years a public access counselor has ever ruled otherwise. According to the lawsuit, an ESPN reporter made requests to Notre Dame in September and November 2014, asking for police incident reports and logs related to student athletes. The university denied the 3 requests, and ESPN filed complaints with Indiana's public access counselor. One of the filings says ESPN views the university's denial of its request as akin to dictator or communist rule, and went on to cite recent national events as the basis for its need for transparency, including what happened in Ferguson, Missouri, domestic violence in the NFL, and sexual assaults on college campuses. In January, the public access counselor said if the Notre Dame Security Police Department has documentation regarding any suspected crimes, accidents, or complaints involving the individuals named in your request and has not released that particular documentation, then they have violated the Access to Public Records Act. The judge said he will have an opinion on this by April 20th. Notre Dame is asking him to dismiss the case. ESPN is asking to order the police department to release those documents as well as any damages. Also, you might be wondering, why should you care about this case and how does it even affect you? Heading back to my desk right now to put together a local expert's opinion on that. I will have it for you all new tonight at 6 o'clock. At the live desk, I'm Kelly Stopczynski, WSBT 22 News.